Okay, this is a Toyota remote. Very, very simple. Just a 2-button, just lock, unlock. Very simple. It's for the older Toyotas. Oh, it's actually a 3-button remote. It's got the panic on the inside. I didn't see that. So it'd be considered a 3-button because it's got the panic. No screws when you look at it. There's no screws anywhere. It's pretty much sealed except for at the back here you can see. I wonder if a dime would fit in that. Nope, not at all. So we use the use a little flathead screwdriver. I'm going to use my Leatherman. Just get in there. Just give it a little twist. Very, very simple. Take the twist. You just can't twist this out. You got to sort of slide it out because it's got the little tabs over it. So again, extremely popular, the battery. It's a CR2032. Popular for a lot of different remotes, remote head keys and proxes. You got a slider in. So we have our remotes. And we have our 3. There we go, 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. You can tell that hits 1, 2, and the panic hits the back part. So just slide it in. Very good weather stripping on this. So there we go. There is our Toyota remote. I'm just going to do it one more time. If it had a key, if it had the ring on here, you know, we would just take the ring off. Then there's no screws. You can tell by looking at it. There's a little spot at the back here. Use your flathead screwdriver. I'll use my Leatherman. Just give it a little twist. Doesn't take much. Let's see if I can do it without everything falling every which way this time. There we go. That's a nice one. We didn't spill everything this time. See, there's the panic hits on there. Again, we have to slide this battery out. Don't twist and pull. We got little tabs, little metal tabs over it. So we just slide it out. Comes out nicely. It's the CR2032, extremely popular. I mostly just use Energizers or Duracell batteries. I don't like the dollar store stuff. Sorry, dollar store. I prefer the better quality. If the dollar store has Duracells or Energizers, get them. Usually Walmart, I find, has the cheapest, the least expensive parts. So just take that. If you lose track of which way it goes because there's no positive or negative, you always go, there's the little tabs there, the little contacts. They always go to the opposite to the plus or the writing. Just slide her back in. Slides in nicely. And just clip it together. So again, came apart a lot nicer the second time around. There we go. That is a Toyota 3-button, because it's got the panic, remote. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.